How to fix something went wrong, tap to try again on YouTube problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your YouTube application and then tap and hold on it. Now go to its app info. Now go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. Next, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Not having a stable connection will also cause this problem. If you already have a stable connection, go to your Play Store and then search for YouTube. Make sure you have the latest version of YouTube. If there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of YouTube. Sometimes it could be just the server issue or the issue from the backends. In this case, all you can do is wait for the problem and it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.